Hey everyone, so one fun fact about me is I like to collect stickers. So here I have a reusable sticker book that comes with 100 of these sticker sheets, and it also has a few additional accessories here. This is to add on to my existing collection of already very filled up sticker albums. Removing the plastic wrap, which for some reason has two plastic wraps, you have the actual sticker binder here. It has a little elastic strap to hold it all together. In terms of tools, it has a spatula and tweezers so that you can apply and remove stickers without getting your natural oils from your fingers on the stickers. And then it comes with a sheet of a few colored rectangles, which I guess you can use for labels if you want, and then some extra elastic bands here. And you do get two zippered compartments so you can store all these accessories. And then of course you have the 100 sheets of the sticker paper so you can always remove and relocate the stickers if you wanted to. Though from actual use, even though it can technically fit all 100 sheets, once you start adding stickers, it's going to add to the thickness. Not to mention if you want to store your zippered accessories, then it really will not fit in this binder. So realistically, I think you can probably store maybe around 40 sheets maximum if you want to include all your accessories in this binder. And I should also mention that I have the larger A6 size. It does come in a smaller A5 size if you want it, but to be honest, I think the A6 size is already a little bit small. Wish they would come in a little bit larger size, especially since you lose a little bit of real estate due to the binder rings. Because as you can see, there are some stickers that I have that are simply too big to fit on one sheet. Overall, the package is relatively inexpensive, though if I were to cut some costs, I probably wouldn't pay for the spatula or the tweezers. I found that it was very difficult to use, and at that point, I much rather just use my regular fingers to apply and remove stickers. And I also wish that the sticker paper was a little bit higher quality, wish it was a little thicker to prevent accidental rips as you are flipping through the binder. And I also noticed that the surface does seem to attract more lint than other sticker albums that I've used in the past. But overall, if you're just looking for an inexpensive way to house your sticker collection, likely you're not going to want to keep on, removing it and reapplying it, then this is still a really great option. I'll put the product link in the description if you guys are interested.